am so excited because this is officially an India Couture Week vlog. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm going to be walking for 3 shows this season. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes. सब कुछ दिखाऊंगी, थोड़ा unfiltered दिखाऊंगी. Because that's what my YouTube community is for. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, कर लो. Because अब तो vlog एक के बाद एक मैंने आपको सब कुछ दिखा देना है. Look at that set. Freaking hell. It's so cool. Fittings ready. No, fittings ready बोल रही, show ready. Turn and hold here. Turn and hold. You look like a very cool chic. Stop boy. This is my model on duty week. But wait, this is the look. It looks really cute. Look at my hair, dude. Freaking hell. Stunning. My back is really killing me. Backstage back in the US. Wait, hold on. Trying to release. What a life, you know, to carry the entire industry on my back.
At the evening rehearsal, please wear your heels at the bottom skirts. Sakshi should not stop, so you guys adjust it.
मेरे को इतनी नींद आ रही है और मुझे इतनी भूख लग रही है गाइस. एक तो मैं पहले बताना चाहूँगी कि औरतें इतनी नेक्स्ट लेवल होती हैं. मैं आई एम ऑन माई पीरियड राइट नाउ एंड माई पीरियड्स हैव कम 7 days earlier on the day of the show at the location, and guess who gave me my pads? Viewers. They were like clicking selfies with me. I'm like, bad. Girlhood, love it. क्या बता रहे हो?
Venue just moving around ना पर्दे से ध्यान से खराब नहीं होना चाहिए.
Our mind got lost and it was traveling through the venues, but we've been able to find it. Now we can find any. And now we also lost the phone in the middle. I'm just saying that's I've had enough.
Control.
Come and same thing. Go this way. Get a little closer.
आप हमारी drape artist हो. She's like a queen. She's like अभी करवा लो drape को अभी बट टाइम ही होगा. Love yourself. I'm so happy कि आपको लग रहा था मैं उससे भी छोटी हूँ. इनके एक्सप्रेशन लीजिए. कैमरा में इनके एक्सप्रेशन लीजिए. इनके एक्सप्रेशन. कैमरा में रिया दिखाइए. मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हो गई हूँ. मैं बहुत मुश्किल से लोगों की फैन बनती हूँ. No, actually not bad. सुंदर बोल दिया आपने मुझे. Clock it.
What happened with me is I don't have a backstage
Look at
band,
this
so they didn't allow us
amazing
to came
makeup.
inside again.
Look at the camera. Yeah. Can we do namaste only?
See chaos? I'm gonna show you chaos. Stress. 3, 2, 1. Shama. You guys saw the show. It was absolutely fantastic. I think the styling was so sweet. So, and Masaba is a very special person. And it's such a full circle moment because I worked as a showstopper for Masaba and Masaba was our show at Netflix. And now I get to work for her in person. So this is a very, very cute moment. Morning! Today is... Anushka, tu aa jao. Today is day 2 of India Couture Week. Today I'm working for Dolly Joy. And मैं इतना please look at me the way you were looking at mood for today.
And noise like that. Perfect. Very nice. And stop here. Tango boys.
This is my model on duty fit. ये जितना comfortable मुझे लग रहा है ना, ये कैमरे पे उतना सुंदर नहीं लग रहा. But this is the set that I'm wearing and I'm wearing boots with this. That's what models wear. Model on duty fit देख लो जरा. ओहो. अमन को तो मॉडलिंग के लिए वैसे wow, digi. I'm so happy right now. You know why? I ordered myself a scrambled egg avo toast and matcha. You can hate me all you want. Matcha is just life. If you relate to me, if you agree with this thought, we can be besties right now, right this second. This is my makeup look. What do you think? Cute only you looking. You just checked yourself out, huh? A little bit. It's like, I love individual lashes. These insanely beautiful pieces. This is what the backstage looks like, by the way. We need a dress rehearsal right now, which is why I'm wearing my top and then I'm wearing my leggings. This is the look that I'm wearing for Dolly J. It's so beautiful. It's so sexy. I'm like coming in hot with all the men. ये तो मेरा dream sequence है. और सोचो कि मेरा audience में कौन है जो मुझे देखने आ रहा है. It is Raghav, my mom and my best friend. Final takas. This is what happens, by the way. Like, it's not safety pins. It's actual full taka that they put so that the outfit doesn't move. The plan is that I do this show and I run back. I change it to this garment, go for Jayanti Reddy's show. Vlogging.
It's a lovely show.
It's a lovely show. Which one was better? The one that I walked in or the one that I didn't walk in? I just attended another show. I walked for a show, then attended the show, and that's it for day 2 of India Couture Week. See you tomorrow. To day 3 of Couture Week. Today I'm working for Aisha Rao. This is what the setup looks like. Today has been a very rough morning. I've dealt with so much this morning, which I'm not even going to get into. But here we are. Here we are. And this is the look. It's looking crazy. अभी हम बाहर आए हैं to take some shots. And the weather is really nice. यार मेरे को आज इतना अजीब सा फील हो रहा है, मैं क्या बताऊँ. मैं एक तो थक भी बहुत ज़्यादा गई हूँ, ऊपर से पता नहीं आज दिन अच्छा नहीं जा रहा. I really hope this. Just one second. बंदर निकलो बंदर. Yes, do you see it? Getting my hair done. Getting hair done. This is third day in a row that I'm getting bun. Like my hair is, I'm about to like give up. My hair is in so much agony at the end of the day. It's not funny. इसी वजह से आधे मॉडल्स के चले गए हैं खत्म हो यही रीजन. Show you the best visual that ever exists. See. Come. Anushka, come. That's the energy.
Then Archana. Okay, you guys will be Roshmita right here. The Kurta girls here. Keep going around. Don't be in a hurry. They have gone.
I don't even know, like, this corset is like, he's made it 3.5 inches tighter. How to? I was not able to breathe, I was not able to breathe at all.
What are the vibes backstage?
The vibes backstage, it's actually not that chaotic. It's good. It's good. The energy is good. Everybody's feeling it. Honestly, the show is very calming. It's 8:37 right now. Literally, the show was supposed to start at 8. I think we're going to start the show at any time. This is what I'm wearing right now. And then I have to change for Rahul Mishra because I have to go for his presentation. Into that, I love the jewelry. Look how stunning the jewelry is. Absolutely beautiful. And my makeup is also looking really nice today. Amazing. Kamla, is it looking nice on me? Am I working it? No? Show you the coolest part of the show.
Oh, really? Yeah,
It really is the coolest. It really is the coolest part of the show. It really is. Oh my god. Three women are tied to each other with braids.
Desi Powerpuff.
Oh my god. This is insane and so cool. That's the energy. That's what I'm talking about. feel like I'm in a pageant or something.